Right now we have gold trading back at 2027 US dollars per ounce. Oil prices have slingshotted 3% in the last 24 hours, breaking back above $71 per barrel. We have platinum prices, they're breaking back above $922 per ounce. Palladium is almost back above $1,000 per ounce. So this comes back to what we discussed with you at the start of the week. So as you know, we have stacked into 20 positions on gold with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. In fact, we've been able here as well to get even better prices on oil with the brief dip back below $69 per barrel over the last 24 hours. So I hope many of you capitalized on that. As we discussed at the start of the week, any dips back down towards the swing lower, back towards that 70 zone would be optimal for additional reload. On Friday, we have oil prices, they're surging back above $71 per barrel. Platinum, again, that mantra, buy below $900 per ounce, is played out absolutely perfectly. Platinum over this week broke down to $888 per ounce just for a couple of days, and then within 48 hours, it's already slingshotted back to $922 per ounce. Like pushing a ball below the water, platinum, it will just pop back above that $900 per ounce handle very quickly. It spends very little time below that level. Very similar to palladium as well. Palladium, another fantastic opportunity over this week to buy as close as possible back down towards that $900 per ounce level. In fact, many of our clients were able to sniper in and get $930, $940 per ounce over the course of this week with palladium. It's now trading back above $990 US dollars per ounce. So palladium, very fast mover. I still like it below $1,000 per ounce. In fact, I like silver as well, below $23.75 per ounce here as well. As close as possible back down towards the 23 level would be more optimal, but I do see that as a big buy opportunity. On the latest video, we were also asked about natural gas prices, which are currently trading around 2.6. Not really interested in natural gas unless it dips back down towards the 2.1 or 2 handle. It's had a tremendous sell-off over the last month here, so we've stayed out of that market as it's continued to tank to the downside and capitalized on multiple opportunities here to stack at lower prices on many metals. So as I mentioned, we're built into multiple trades on gold over the course of this week, and this is as we go into a blockbuster week next week, where we have the final CPI data of the year, the final FOMC statement, the final Bank of England interest rate decision, and the final European Central Bank announcement as well. Next week, it's going to be back-to-back opportunities here to capitalize. Now, very straightforward opportunities right now. Again, I would perceive as crude oil. Again, I like oil back down towards that swing low, $69, $70 per barrel here. Spends very little time at that level. You can see it's already getting a strong impulse move at the moment. Nobody's really paying too much attention to oil back down at these levels. We've completed the 3-day impulse move lower. We have Russia and Saudi who are pushing for further output cuts, and this is seeing momentum get back into oil here. So definitely don't take your eye off oil. If you snooze, you lose with this market. This time of year, oil can be a fantastic opportunity. Now, as it relates specifically to the precious metals, so as you know, we're fully stacked with our positions. All of our platinum positions, they're ripping higher at the moment. We've built all of those below $900 per ounce, all the way down to $856. Palladium, I still like it below $1,000 per ounce. At the moment, it's trading around $990 per ounce. We were able, again, to add further trades over the course of this week, building out additional positions. We added another trade this week at $955 per ounce, which immediately moved into profit. Gold, as you know, we're fully stacked on this position. We've taken multiple opportunities, in fact, since October to stack out the trade here. One of our best entries right now is down at 1,822 US dollars per ounce. That trade is currently up 2,000 points. But if you snooze again, you lose on this market, because there's also been a lot of opportunities over the course of this week since the price action broke out to $2,149 per ounce, all-time record highs for gold, to then buy in on the sell-off where it dropped 1,300 points or $130 move in the space of 14 hours, giving you an in. The best possible price so far has been 2,009 US dollars per ounce over the course of this week. Again, giving you further opportunities to get in here nice and low to take advantage over the next few sessions here, with a lot of the major news events that are going to be coming out over the next few days. This is where a lot of traders, they tend to get shaken out of their positions when they lack conviction on these markets. Now, I can see out there's a lot of traders who want lower prices on gold. Of course, they want 1900s. I don't think they're going to get it. Let's see what happens here as we progress into back-to-back news events over the course of the next week, but this really does come down to utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence. Further align that with the daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, real-time data-driven cycles. Further compound that with the fundamentals, the geopolitics, of course, the narratives in the market, the key areas of liquidity that are targeted, so you can get your sniper entries in, back down with oil, $69, $70 per barrel that we've seen over the last 24 hours. Oil is around ripping back above $71 per barrel. You've got lots of opportunities over the last week here. Platinum again below $900 per ounce, palladium below $1,000 per ounce, gold down towards $2,000 per ounce, and so forth. Further align this as well with the capital flows in the market, the intermarket correlations, the ratios, and then finally how the hedge funds, money managers, banks and institutions, how they're all positioned in the market in real time. This is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.